Sugar Face by Quantum. And I just want to quickly show y'all this brow bar, brow powder and gel that I ordered, and it just came in. I just wanted to quickly just do a little brow makeover. I already filled in the brow, and I already have highlighted it. So there I'm showing you the two powders and the highlighter. And that was the brow gel before that. And it comes with this angled flat brush, and on the other side a flat brush for the highlighter. I've already filled it in, and now I'm going to use the brow bar gel to set the brow. And as I'm pointing out, I've already filled it in. Top was kind of hard to get off there. And there you can see the brow gel is kind of tinted with a brown color. I'm just going to go ahead, and I'd like to brush it up at where it meets my nose. Well, not my nose, but the inner corner of my eye, where it meets the inner corner of my eye. I like to brush it up and then kind of bring it down like thinly. And my brows are very thin, so I like to just fill them in and just keep it looking natural. I will be doing another video showing how I did it. And there it is, the brow bar that I ordered offline. And I will put the link to where you order it below. I'm going to be doing another video where I'm going to do a full makeover and show you that brow makeover kit. It's called the brow bar. True brow makeover kit. Supposed to be really good. It did. It really filled in my brows really nice. Y'all take a look at the brow.